So I went to the library and I checked out their bulletin board. That's why they're closed, look. That's today, folks. Walked up over the street and checked out this stop sign. Right, no, actually, this will be the first entry into the construction in Sooke, looking at infrastructure and everything else like that. This is a place that's going up down here now, just up behind, or up from the old library, from the new library. Okay, well, you know, it's just a little bit down from the Vancouver Island Regional Library here in Sooke. And it's a construction site that's going in right now. And as you can see, there are a lot of places up there that are getting built. Some that are finished. Construction zones all outfitted really nicely for the workers, and they've got a gate up around the whole outside so that it's, you know, fairly secure. And yeah, the building's going on there. That's definitely one of the places that's going on. You know, there's this construction site. It's empty, of course. It's a holiday today. From the road, I'm just looking down at these houses that are going up. A lot of them about halfway through and stuff like that. They're just looking at getting drywall and plumbing and electrical and landscaping and roofing done and stuff like that. Required safety gear, no trespassing. And back into the scoop mobile. Nice quiet drive today, yeah, and it's a nice visit at the library. I'm just gonna whip up to the municipal hall now. I'm just gonna whip up to the municipal hall right now and also get some more information on maybe upcoming events. Of course, it is a holiday today, but I like to do all my stuff on the weekends. Another construction site right here. It's looking like it's coming along. That's looking closer to done. A lot of places for lease and stuff. So there you go, there's site number 2, and here we are at the municipal hall. Woo, boy. Hope I don't get arrested or something for pulling in here for a minute or two. Because it is a holiday, you know, and nobody's really supposed to be here. Or at least there were no plans.